Ready? You're wondering what's going on? Okay, grand unveiling. Ta-da! I have got my Fishman Loudbox Mini. I've been waiting for this guy to arrive in the mail. I got it from Manny's in Melbourne. Cost me 445 Australian dollars. And let's just get straight into the unboxing and have a look what's inside. Okay. Polystyrene. Manual, which I will look at, maybe. And it's just the amp. There's not a lot in here, so let's pull this little fella out. Wrapped up. It's not what I call heavy, not for a guitar amp anyway, but it's definitely solid. It's got a bit of weight to it. I think it's about 10 kilos. And then we've just got the Australian power cable, and then in here there's just another couple of polystyrene supports. So yeah, really not much in the way of packaging. And here it is. Wow, that is a sexy little thing. Let's have a little quick look at it anyway. So we've got the instrument input with the 1/4" jack for your guitar. You've got a phase button there to tackle feedback, gain knob, 3-band EQ with low, mid and high settings, digital reverb of course, and chorus with 2 settings, mild or thick. Over here we've got an XLR input for your microphone. Again, a gain knob with a 2-band EQ, low and mid, and reverb again over there. And here's the master volume control with an LED power light. And on the back of the amp, it's all very simple. We've got the place where the power plug goes in. We've got the on-off switch over there. Here we've got a 1/4" and a 3.5mm aux input, so you can connect your phone or a tablet and play backing tracks. And at the end here we've got another XLR for your mixed DI output. So that's for sending the signal from the amp to front of house PA or mixing decks or whatever. Another cool thing that I like about this amp is that it's sort of raked back, if that's the right word. It's sort of leaning back at 10-degree angle, I think is what it is. So that just helps with, when you've got it on the floor, a bit of projection outwards, or you put it on a chair or stool or whatever, just helps carry the sound out a little bit more, which is a nice little design feature. But there's not really a lot to sort of talk about in terms of the features, because it is definitely very simple. It's one of the more simple acoustic guitar amps that you can buy. It's also one of the cheaper ones as well, I guess. But I wasn't really interested in a lot of the additional features that some of the more expensive amps had. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do is plug it in. And even though this isn't a review as such, I am going to demo just a little bit with the sound, just to give you a little bit of an idea as to what this guitar amp sounds like. There is a battery version as well, which has just come out in the last year, I think, called the Fishman Loudbox Mini Charge. And I was really interested in that. It's got an inbuilt lithium battery. It's exactly the same amp, a little bit more of a cooler design, a bit more modern looking maybe, but it's about twice the price here in Australia. Like, I got this for about $450. The cheapest I could find the Charge for was about double that, maybe slightly less. But I just couldn't justify an extra $400 just to get the battery feature, when, in all honesty, as much as I'd like to think that I'm going to be going out and busking or playing on the beach at campfires, probably not going to happen with a busy family life. This is probably going to stay in the garage or in the spare room and just be used for tinkering around on. So I'm almost certainly always going to be near a power source. Couldn't justify the extra money for the battery, so went with the classic mains power version, and I think that was the right choice. But just so you know, there is a battery version out there which is getting very good reviews as well, so check that out if you definitely need the battery option. But let's get this little fella plugged in and see what he can do. I haven't got a guitar lead. Right, so I've just got flat EQs on everything. Here we go. Let's see what it sounds like. Now, obviously, you're not going to get that accurate an idea of what the true sound is, because that's just going through the Rode Video Mic Pro. But that's half gain with a quarter master volume. Very natural sound. Yeah, so there's more than enough volume there. Just for playing at home, I wouldn't even need it as loud as that. Now this manual's actually got some suggested EQ settings for low, medium and high volume, so I'm just going to put those in. So it says at low volume, which is just above conversation level, give the low and high controls a good boost. So let's see what it says to do here. It says there, gain off a bit, low at 3/4, mid at high, high at 3/4, not using those, and then volume like that. Right, so this is exactly what it's saying for the low. Ooh. There we go. You hear that feedback, and I pushed the phase button in and it worked immediately, so I can confirm the phase button does kill feedback very effectively. All right, so yeah, this is what they reckon is good for low volume setting. Yeah, that actually sounds really nice. You can definitely hear those sparkly highs. Yeah, I really like it. I'm really happy. Look, I'm not going to do a proper review. I've only just got the amp. I'm going to spend some time messing around with it, and I will do another video soon-ish when I am more comfortable with all the different kinds of sounds you can get out of it. So look out for that one. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested in seeing it. And yeah, for now, that's pretty much all I've got to say. First impressions, very positive. It is quality. This definitely feels like it's going to go the distance. I'm going to get a few years use out of this. It feels very well put together. Really, all the fits and that are all nice and tight. It's just a good finish. Yeah, feels decent. So I'm happy with that. And yeah, I can't wait to just to sort of get a bit more stuck into it and really share my full review with you soon. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found this unboxing useful, and I will see you soon. All right, bye.